We are pleased to show you the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, power windows, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, panic alarm. Indulge in luxury and make a statement wherever you go.